Okay, so fit the servos in there. This one's got a brace. This one I'm going to use a piece of wood here. Right? We'll just tack these pieces of wood in place just for a second here. And I'm going to take the servos out. Oh no. Okay. Keep the wood tacked in place. Pull the servos out. Here's some medium CA. And I'll glue all this wood down. Real nice. Goes. I'll put screws through this. Remember, you should always pre-drill holes. Push it down. Make sure that all sets up good. And then we'll mount the servos in. Now, from what I see here, servo on this side is going to go across. And we'll come out and go to the elevator. The angles are nice there. And this one from here is going to go this way, straight to the back just about, and do the rudder. So we'll have to get those almost in place, mark them in the sides of the fuselage over here. So I don't want to make any holes where I don't have to, and then have them come out. We'll let the CA glue set right now. While the CA glue dries, let's work on the servos. Okay, the one servo here, I have a servo horn already. This other servo needs all the stuff put on it. I need this servo horn. That's it. And we need a little screw that holds that in. Now, I'm not going to center these right now, but it is important you get these centered. We will in a bit. I just want to go over one thing I think that I've done wrong forever. Now, when you put these rubber mounts on, right, and you put these screws, these little pieces of metal in. They should always have the big side down, the little side up. But my problem is they never stay in. But that's how they're supposed to be. Okay, so we got these two made. Now, I know with these here, we gotta take the one end apart. Okay. Now, there isn't a hole on here that's big enough for that one. So, I'm going to take my handy little drill. Now, this is a racing airplane, so I don't think I want a ton of throw. So I'm going to go way inside here. Okay. Okay, I'll go third hole out, second from the end. Okay, I'm going to drill it out. You can take the servo horn off, do this or leave it on. But there, okay. Now, so I know the size of my drill, you see, that fits there. So we'll put a washer on. Put that on the servo horn. Put a washer on. Now remind you, these are small parts. Holy. Okay. guess easier if you have the servo horns off the servos. That could be considered, you know. Now, oh no, I can't seem to get this started. My hands are too big. Okay. Okay. I gotta try something else here. I gotta push this thing through further. So I can get a little more thread over here. On this. Holy moly, eh? See? Okay. Maybe we should take the servo horn off the servo, and we'll make it so we mount this contraption on, and then we'll put the servo horn back on. Okay, so take the servo horn off the servo. Yeah, I still can't. There we go. Aha. Okay, now we got that mounted on there. I'm gonna do a magic trick here. Watch this. Ta-da! So we got that there like that. Now, something I recommend using Loctite fine with these little threads. You know, just a little teeny bit of CA glue, just to glue the threads. We'll set that on that side to dry. Okay, that's for that servo. Now for this servo, we're not going to fight with it, are we? No. We'll take it off. Okay, so on this one, again, the third hole out, I'm not going to go all the way. I drill my hole. This is my handy little home hand drill. Okay, just knock one washer off. Now make sure you put this on right. You want it up on the top. Okay. Now, again, put the little washer on. Oh, and again, we'll grab the little. And they aren't nuts because they're just got. I'll show you here. See, they've just got little threads, so you can do them up with your hand. Okay. So then we'll put this back on the servo, but we're going to put that little dab of glue on there. Just a little dab of CA glue. There we go. And we'll set that over there so it can dry.